He's drowning.
Well, it's a ball, not a he, so I don't think it can drown.
No, it's definitely a he. You can tell.
Well, it's a ball.
The edges. Nope. The way it's like kind of round.
It's a ball.
On the side.
Well,
And then it curves a little
you're
bit.
kind of just describing a ball right now.
No, yeah, it's definitely, yeah, you can tell.
Yeah, tell that it's a ball.
Hold on, I think he's trying to say something.
Dude, just... By the way, inventory.
He told me his name.
Yeah, we should probably get you checked out. I feel like you hear a lot of voices.
It's Enrique
And then,
Iglesias.
goodness gracious.
I think we can save him.
Yeah, at this point, I figure I'm just gonna go get another ball.
But I'm gonna need your help.
I'm not helping you.
You're gonna have to trust me.
I think I'm good. Thanks.
We're gonna have to sing him back to life. That's it. He's cooked.
I'm sorry for your loss.
You wanna know what his last words were?
I just go get another ball now.
You can take my breath away.
No, boy.
That was his last breath.
I had no idea you were such a big Enrique Iglesias fan.